Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to allow camera access on YouTube on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that, you need to scroll up and click on search bar. And here enter YouTube. After that, you need to go here and turn on this setting. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. You must only turn on setting near camera. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.